So this is the environment of environment of fireworks. So the working environment of fireworks is called canvas, just as the way I've drawn it on the board there. Every software have their own platform or environment where they execute their power. So everything we want to do, there should be an environment that will be executing it. So the working environment for executing our work in fireworks is called canvas. Before we can do anything at all, you must understand how to use the tools. And the tools has been sectionalized into five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have select view, or select option, or select parts. We have Bismarck parts, vectors part, web, the colors, then the view. Though this web, we won't be treating the web. But for that select part, what do we use that one for? If you want to select any object, any image, anything that you want to use. For example, to import image into the working environment of a fireworks, you need to press your Ctrl R. Everybody press Ctrl R. Ctrl R. It's the same thing as you going to your file, and coming to import. Okay, so that one is a long way, Abby. So to import anything into the working environment of your firework, press your Ctrl R to import. So let's try to import a particular image, like 2 images. Import 2 images. Let me go to download. Let me see what I want to import. For example, this image. After saying open, the mouse will be like this. You just left click and drag the image. Let me import again. Let me select this. Open. So I'm having 2 objects here. 2 objects. I'm having 2 objects imported into my canvas. So what's the work of this select? Is points. This is point to point at what you want to use. And the work of this one is select behind tool. So it's going to select the image that is behind. We have said select behind tool. So it's going to help us to select the image that is behind. This one is for sub-selection. When it's time for us to use that one, will let us know. For this one, what this one does, for example, you want to have a passport of yours. Look up, everyone. You want to have your own passport, and you've not gone to snap any passport, or better still, the one you have, you've exhausted all the passports you have. But they have a picture that is like portrait. Passport will be needing your head alone, have you now? Or little lower part here. It's okay. That's what we're needing in your passport. You can crop that place. You can crop what you want. You get what I'm saying? Are we together? So I want to crop, for example, I'm using this. Let me drop it. That's the work of this drop. If you take anything, you come here to drop it. If you don't drop it, it will still have that last element that you've chosen, or that last image that you've chosen, or anyway. But you dropping it, it will not mean you are true with what you are true with that. So this now, I want to crop it so that I'll be left with where I want. So let's come to this place. Look up. We are working with the select part now. I want to crop this. Are we together? I want to crop this. Crop to. So I don't need every area of that picture. This is what I need. Hmm? Can you see that I'm doing the cropping? Then press enter. When you press your enter, what it does is that it's going to fit in the image you've cropped with the canvas. Can you see that the image I've cropped has fitting? I mean, the canvas has fitting to the image I cropped. Abby, I believe you understand what I mean by canvas. That's the working environment. And if you don't like it this way, you cannot go and save it. Control Z. If that one doesn't go well with you, you can always come to this place again. Let's go and drop it. Come to this place and take export area. I believe you are doing it the way I'm doing it. Come to export area. Select where you want. Press enter. This one, the first one we did was that it's fitting the size of the canvas with the area we have cropped. But this export area, we allow you to go and save that area you have cropped to a location of your choice. Now I can choose where I want to export it to. You can come to the format that you want. You can put it on JPEG, on PNG, and you say export. Let's be on desktop. Give it name. Pass.